Hello fellow crafters and Cricuteers. This is a little tutorial to explain what I have in mind for the end of November sign up for the December and January swap and challenge. So I'm going to explain to you what we're going to do. I think you'll enjoy it. I started planning this so that I could do this for my family, and I've had a bunch of girls that have liked the idea, and so I thought I would put it to the Cricuteers to see if we could come up with some really nice ones. So I will explain to you what I have in mind. So these are some of the cutouts that I've done for a book that I'm creating, and I thought it might be fun for everybody in the Cricuteer group to actually do one of these as well. I'm having fun with it. It's for my family, and I'm making it for Christmas for my sister and my mother and my best friend, where we've all grown up with these extra special recipes that belong to relatives, be it ones that are here and ones that are passed away now, but cookie recipes in particular. And what I'm going to do is, my front cover is, I've just taken paper that has some sentimental value to me. It's just Home Sweet Home and Fabulous, just for different people what it suits. But I've taken cardstock, just plain white cardstock, and I'm going to make my front cover with an 8x11. And then I took from the same cartridge. I've been using this cartridge a lot from my kitchen. And what I thought I would do is use the tabs that come on each page. There's a tab like this. And what I thought I would do is just make a bunch of tabs, and they're a tiny bit smaller than the front page and the back page. They come within the size of the cookbook, but the tabs, I think what I'll do is put cookies on one, favorite cookies, favorite dinners, and favorite other things like bakery things. So what I'm going to do is cover each one of these pages with just plain cardstock and decorate each page up. So what I'm going to do is, for the Cricuteers, I thought it would be fun if we took, they could be anything. I have no problem with what gets swapped. It could be baking type items like this, or it could be cooking type items, or it could be cakes and candies, and anything food related is what I wanted to do, so that when all of these items are swapped with each other in this group, whoever signs up for it, then all of the swapped cutouts can then be sent off to each other person, and then they can make a book up with it. And I just thought it would be fun to get items from other people. We could go out and buy Jolene's stickers, right? And you get 6 different items off a sticker sheet. Whereas this is just a little more fun, and it'll have more meaning because it came from friends of ours from afar. So you got 5 images that are going to be coming to you. So there'll be 5 different images all put into one package and sent off to you. So that the next step of this project will be making a cookbook of some sort. It can be a journal, it could be a cookbook. It doesn't have to be elaborate. They can be stuck into a scrapbook. For myself, for this book that I'm making, I plan on putting the family picture of the person whose recipe it belonged to, and a picture of the actual cookie that I'm making for Christmas. And I'm going to actually put a basket or bags of cookies that I've made into a little basket with the cookbook as a gift for my family. So I just thought I'd give you that little bit of show you what I meant by the next Cricuteer challenge. I will write it up on Cricuteers site, page, whatever you want to call it. And hopefully everybody gets excited about doing this. It's going to be a 2-month project. It's not going to be done in 1 month. The first month is going to be swapping all of the different images. The second month is going to be completing your album. So in January, at the end of January, you will submit a photograph or a video to show how your book turned out. And I think it's going to be a little bit of fun. So let's get on it. This is for the end of November, the sign-ups start. So December and January you have to work on it, and it will be finished and completed by the end of January. So I thought it would be fun. So we'll talk to you soon.